Ever wake up in a cold sweat, heart hammering against your ribs, because you suddenly remembered that bill you forgot to pay? Maybe it wasn't a bill, but that important registration you completely missed. Running a business throws a lot your way, and sometimes keeping track of everything can feel like trying to juggle flaming chainsaws. One area where staying on top of things is crucial is your business bank account. It's the lifeblood of your operation, the place where your hard work translates into cold, hard cash, or its digital equivalent. But what happens if things change? Maybe your business model shifts, you decide to pursue a new venture, or you simply want to consolidate finances. Can you just close your Tide business account and move on? The good news is, yes, you can close your Tide business account. Phew, right? But like most things in life, there are a few things to keep in mind before you hit that metaphorical off switch. This video will walk you through the process of closing your Tide account, what to expect along the way, and some helpful tips to make things as smooth as possible. First things first, let's talk about why you might be considering closing your account. There are a number of reasons, some more common than others. Perhaps you're winding down your business altogether. Maybe you found a new banking solution that better suits your current needs. There's also the possibility that you've decided to merge your business finances with your personal accounts, although this isn't always recommended for tax and liability reasons. Whatever your reason, it's important to be clear on your goals before initiating the closure process. Once you've decided to move forward, there are a few key steps involved. The first thing you'll want to do is make sure you've settled any outstanding balances. This includes any transfers you've initiated, debits scheduled for upcoming payments, and of course, a zero balance in your checking account. Remember, a negative balance will put a hold on closing your account, so make sure you've cleared everything up before proceeding. The next step is to contact Tide customer support. They'll be able to guide you through the specific steps involved in closing your account. This might involve filling out a closure form online or providing them with some verification information over the phone. Be prepared to answer questions about your decision to close and confirm your identity. Here's a heads up, there may be a small account closure fee associated with closing your account. It's always best to check with Tide directly to confirm the current fee structure. While this fee shouldn't break the bank, it's good to be aware of it up front to avoid any surprises. Now, let's talk about what happens after you close your account. Tide will typically hold onto your account information for a set period, as required by regulations. This means you won't be able to access your online banking portal or any past statements. If you need copies of your statements for things like taxes or record keeping, it's important to download or print them out before initiating the closure process. Here's a pro tip, don't wait until the last minute. Give yourself ample time to gather any important documents you might need down the line. Finally, it's important to remember that closing your Tide account doesn't necessarily mean severing ties with them completely. If you find yourself needing a business banking solution in the future, Tide might still be a great option. They're constantly innovating and adding new features, so there's a chance they might be an even better fit for your business down the road. So, there you have it. Closing your Tide business account is a straightforward process, as long as you're prepared and take the proper steps. Remember to settle any outstanding balances, contact customer support, and download any necessary documents before hitting that closure button. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.